In today's fast-paced world, sleep often takes a back seat. We burn the midnight oil, juggle endless tasks, and scroll through our phones until the early hours. But what we often fail to realize is that sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's as vital to our health and well-being as eating, breathing, and exercising. The alarming truth is that a staggering 1 in 3 people suffer from insomnia at some point in their lives. This means that a third of the population struggles to fall asleep, stay asleep, or both, leading to a cascade of negative consequences for their physical and mental health.
Insomnia is not merely a minor inconvenience, it's a serious condition that can significantly impact your quality of life. If you're constantly feeling tired, struggling to focus, or experiencing mood swings, insomnia might be the culprit. The good news is that you don't have to resign yourself to sleepless nights. There are natural solutions that can help you reclaim your sleep and improve your overall well-being. Throughout this essay, we'll delve into the importance of sleep, the common causes of insomnia, and, most importantly, the natural sleep solutions that can help you finally achieve restful nights.
Sleep is not merely a period of rest for our bodies. It's a time of intense activity and rejuvenation. While we sleep, our brains are busy consolidating memories, repairing cells, and releasing essential hormones. Sleep is crucial for our physical health, playing a vital role in maintaining a healthy weight, regulating blood sugar levels, and boosting our immune system. When we consistently get enough sleep, we wake up feeling refreshed, alert, and energized, ready to tackle the day ahead. Our cognitive function is enhanced, allowing us to think clearly, concentrate effectively, and make sound decisions.
Sleep also plays a critical role in regulating our emotions, helping us to manage stress, maintain a positive mood, and foster healthy relationships. However, when insomnia strikes, it disrupts this delicate balance, leaving us feeling drained and depleted. Chronic sleep deprivation can have severe consequences for our physical and mental health, increasing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and obesity. Furthermore, insomnia can impair our cognitive abilities, making it difficult to focus, remember things, and make decisions. It can also negatively impact our mental health, increasing our susceptibility to anxiety, depression, and mood swings.
To effectively address insomnia, it's essential to understand its root causes. Insomnia often stems from a combination of factors, including stress, poor sleep habits, underlying medical conditions, and certain medications. By identifying the culprits behind your sleeplessness, you can take targeted steps to address them and improve your sleep quality. Stress is a major contributor to insomnia, keeping our minds racing with worries and anxieties long after we've crawled into bed. When we're stressed, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that keeps us alert and awake, making it difficult to fall asleep.
Poor sleep habits, such as irregular sleep schedules, late-night meals, and excessive caffeine intake, can also disrupt our natural sleep-wake cycle, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. In some cases, insomnia may be a symptom of an underlying medical condition, such as thyroid disorders, chronic pain, or restless leg syndrome. Certain medications, such as antidepressants and decongestants, can also interfere with sleep. If you suspect that your insomnia is related to a medical condition or medication, it's crucial to consult with your doctor to rule out any serious underlying issues and discuss appropriate treatment options. One of the most effective ways to combat insomnia is to establish a consistent and relaxing bedtime routine. Just like children thrive on routine, so do our bodies. By creating a pre-sleep ritual, you signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep, promoting relaxation and improving your chances of falling asleep faster and staying asleep throughout the night. Start by setting a regular sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at approximately the same time each day, even on weekends. This helps to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up at consistent times. Create a calming bedtime routine that you can look forward to each night, such as taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to soothing music. Make sure your bedroom is conducive to sleep by keeping it cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine to block out any distracting light or noise. Avoid using electronic devices such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops in the hour before bed, as the blue light emitted from these devices can interfere with melatonin production, a hormone that regulates sleep. In today's digitally driven world, we're constantly bombarded with information, notifications, and entertainment from our electronic devices. While technology has undoubtedly enhanced our lives in many ways, it's also become a major contributor to sleep deprivation. The blue light emitted from our smartphones, tablets, and laptops suppresses melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. To improve your sleep quality, it's essential to create boundaries between your digital devices and your sleep sanctuary. Aim to disconnect from all electronic devices at least an hour before bed, giving your mind and body a chance to unwind and prepare for sleep. Instead of scrolling through social media or catching up on emails, engage in relaxing activities that promote sleep, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or spending quality time with loved ones. If you must use electronic devices before bed, consider using blue light blocking glasses or enabling the night shift setting on your devices, which reduces the amount of stimulating blue light emitted from the screen. Remember, creating a tech-free haven in your bedroom can significantly improve your sleep quality and help you wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Section 6. The power of relaxation. Techniques for quieting the mind. For many people, the inability to quiet their racing minds is a major obstacle to falling asleep. Thoughts about work, relationships, and to-do lists can swirl around in our heads, keeping us awake long after we've turned off the lights. Fortunately, various relaxation techniques can help calm the mind, alleviate stress, and prepare the body for sleep. Deep breathing exercises are a simple yet effective way to promote relaxation and reduce stress. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to rise, and exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your body relax with each breath. Practice deep breathing for 5 to 10 minutes before bed to quiet your mind and prepare for sleep. Progressive muscle relaxation is another powerful technique for relieving tension and promoting sleep. Starting with your toes, tense each muscle group in your body for a few seconds, then release the tension, noticing the feeling of relaxation that follows. Work your way up your body, tensing and relaxing each muscle group until you reach your head. This technique can help to release physical and mental tension, making it easier to drift off to sleep. Section 7. Nature's sleep aids, harnessing the soothing power of herbs. For centuries, people have turned to the natural world to find relief from insomnia and promote restful sleep. Herbal remedies, with their gentle yet effective properties, have long been used to alleviate sleeplessness, calm the mind, and restore balance to the body's natural sleep-wake cycle. These natural sleep aids offer a safe and effective alternative to over-the-counter or prescription sleep medications, which can often come with unwanted side effects.
Chamomile, with its delicate floral aroma and soothing properties, is a popular choice for combating insomnia. This gentle herb contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to certain receptors in the brain that promote sleepiness and reduce anxiety. Lavender, another beloved herb for sleep, is known for its calming and sedative effects. Its soothing aroma has been shown to slow heart rate, lower blood pressure, and reduce anxiety, creating an ideal environment for restful sleep. Valerian root is a powerful herbal sleep aid that has been used for centuries to treat insomnia and anxiety. It contains compounds that have sedative effects on the brain and nervous system, promoting relaxation and improving sleep quality. Passion flower, a beautiful climbing vine with calming properties, is another effective herbal remedy for insomnia. It contains compounds that have anxiolytic effects, meaning they reduce anxiety and promote a sense of calmness, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep.
Section 8. Your path to restful nights. By incorporating these relaxation techniques and natural remedies into your nightly routine, you can create a peaceful and conducive environment for sleep. Remember, Consistency is key. Make these practices a regular part of your bedtime ritual, and over time you'll likely notice a significant improvement in your sleep quality and overall well-being.
We would love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these natural sleep solutions? What has worked best for you? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Let's create a community where we can all support each other on our journey to better sleep.